If you've got kids and they like to game, it can be hard to find games that you can enjoy together. The first place you should check is the rating on the front of the game package. This will let you know whether or not the game is appropriate for your child's age category. The great thing is there are a ton of games out there that are appropriate for all ages, which means they can be fun for you too. I've got two games here that I think both adults and kids will enjoy. Now first up, we've got Mario and Luigi Dream Team. It's a bit different from some Mario games you may have played in the past. Instead of focusing on jumping from platform to platform, this is a story-driven game where you play as the plumbing duo as they, you guessed it, try to rescue Princess Peach. Dream Team is a role-playing game, meaning that Mario and Luigi will level up as you play them, becoming more powerful so that they can beat the bosses and win the game. It's a fun game for families to play through together. It's easy to hand the system off to parents if the fights get too challenging. The game also makes it easy to save at any time, so you can put it away when it's time for bed or other activities. Next up, we've got Animal Crossing New Leaf. If you're looking for a game with no violence and a fun way to teach your kids about communication and interacting with others, Animal Crossing is it. You start the game on a train headed towards your new town, and when you get there, you find out that somehow you've been declared the town's mayor. From here, it's up to you to find a home, pay your mortgage, put new town ordinances in place, and generally make things fun and interesting for your citizens. It might sound a little dry, but you're interacting with adorable characters like koalas and gorillas as you fish, dig up fossils, and grow fruit in your very own garden. You can even write letters to other townsfolk and decorate your house with cool furniture. This one's a great game for kids to play on their own, but if you want to interact with them, you can create your own town and visit back and forth. You can do all of this on one system with multiple save games, making it a fun way to play together even when you can't play together. Both of these games are available for the Nintendo 3DS. You can either buy the game in store with a game cartridge or purchase them from Nintendo's downloadable store. Give them a shot and try them out. It's a great way to connect with your kids and have some fun too.